Assalamualaikum, marhaba, and hello to everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So today we have made here chicken green chowmein. Watch the whole video to get the recipe. Let's start making it. So firstly, we're gonna fry the chopped garlic. Here I've taken 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna add the half kg of chicken, boneless chicken. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes till it changes the color. Now add green chili, chopped green chilies as per your taste, 1 cup of yogurt, salt, red chili sauce, vinegar, soy sauce. Now mix it well. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Now we're gonna add the green chicken masala. You can have it from any superstore. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. We have to tender the chicken. Now we're gonna add the carrots and cabbage, or you can add any vegetable, whatever you want. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Now add ketchup and mayonnaise. Cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add capsicum, 2 cups of spaghetti stock. Cook it for 5 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of cream. It's optional. Tetra Pak cream. Now add the boiled spaghetti pasta and mix it. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, and now it's ready to serve. Serve it hot. I hope you guys like watching this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for watching.